Hi guys, I have started and filmed this video so many times over the last 2 days, seriously like 6 or 7 times. I've had so many interruptions, and then I was doing a get ready with me and I was like pretty much finished telling you everything, and I was halfway done with my makeup because I guess I'm not a multitasker anymore. So if you do still want to see like an everyday makeup from me, let me know if you want on Instagram story. I could just do it there, or if you want a whole video on it. I get so many requests for the makeup I wear on an everyday basis because I always wear the same makeup. So I'm just going to sit down. I made a coffee, second coffee of the day, and it's 9:30 a.m. Forrest did not sleep that well last night. He always sleeps through the night, at least he has for a few weeks now. And he woke up a couple times last night, so I feel like I'm not in that phase anymore, and it just like hit me like a train. So I have so much to update you guys on. This is going to be like a super casual sit down video of spewing so much information at you of what's been going on the last few weeks. I don't do sit down videos that often, so I feel like I'm out of practice with it, which is probably half the reason I've started over so many times, because I just start telling you like so many different things and then I don't even know where I started. So hopefully I can get it all out in this video. If you enjoy it, hit the like button. Please consider subscribing to join our fam. I would love to have you, and let's get into it. So I would say this all started around 6 or 7 weeks ago. I'm so bad when it comes to like figuring out time frames, but it has not been that long. We've been looking at houses online for a few months now at least, and our plan was always to sell our house and move in spring or summer, solely because we live in Michigan. It's winter right now. It could be a snowstorm when we're moving. It's not horrible to move in the winter, but it's just not ideal. And so that was like the only reason that we said spring or summer. And I found a house that I really liked, and for our next house we really wanted a new construction home that was brand new. And there's just like so many reasons. A lot of you guys know that this house was a fixer-upper. We spent a couple of years fixing this house up. We completely redid it. Every wall has been painted, a lot of them several times. A lot of walls have been sanded. All of the floor is new, the trim is new, hardware, fixtures, light fixtures, the doors, like everything in this house is new, and it's basically finished. So it's been about time to sell it and have a little more space, because I've said in so many videos, a lot of you guys said to me like, I know you're moving, because I've said in so many videos like this house is starting to get really cramped, we're running out of space. And especially for Forrest, like we don't have room for almost anything, especially for Forrest. Like we don't have room for any of his stuff. If we put a playmat down in the living room, then we're walking over it. So it's just getting so tight and cramped in here, and I feel like I'm losing my mind over that. We need space for sure. So I found a house, I really liked it, showed it to Chad, and he made an appointment for us to go see it, which I was kind of annoyed because I was like, we're not moving right now, like we're just wasting somebody's time who's showing it to us. And he was like, why don't we just look, just see what we think. So of course we loved the house, and again, like this was so unexpected. Sorry, I just really need some caffeine right now. So we said like, okay, what's the next step? We didn't even remember anymore from this house. So she said like, find a lender, all of like the regular things when you need a mortgage. So we did all of that. Our offer was accepted on the new house, and it also was a really good time to sell this house, which again was very unexpected because there was nothing else on the market within a mile in this price range. So the realtor told us this house is going to sell extremely fast, and it did. It sold the first day. We did 5 showings on the first day, and there were 2 people who wanted it, so they were going back and forth. So we were able to get above asking price for this house. I feel like whenever you talk about financial things on here, it's kind of like, but if something works out for me, I just want to tell you, because hopefully it will work out for some of you guys too. So that was always our plan, like have this house for a couple of years, flip it, put some money into it. Hopefully we make a really good return on our investment that will pay for the down payment on the next house, and that's exactly how it worked out. We've done everything except for like the very final step for the new house. So like we've done inspections and appraisals and everything. We've done tons of paperwork. We just haven't like finally signed on the dotted line. I think that's in about 2 weeks, a week and a half, and then we can move in. So what we've made off of this house will either completely cover the down payment on the new house, or like within a little bit. I don't know if we pay a little bit extra. I don't know everything until it's like finalized, you know, but it's right around that range. So we were so thankful for that because that was like our ideal situation and it happened. So if you are somebody who wants to spend a few years in a house and work on it, hopefully it will work out for you too, because that's really what we wanted. And I guess I can tell you a little bit about the house. Let me know if you do want to see an empty house tour. I don't know if that's very interesting. Thumbs up this video if you do and I will film it. And if you want to see like a moving vlog and packing videos, let me know in the comments, because probably this afternoon I think we'll start packing. I think I said this, but we probably are moving in about 2 weeks. I wish I knew like an exact time and day that we would get the keys, but I don't know that yet. I think I will know in the next couple of days. So we're really excited, and this house is definitely a big house. Like, it's so much more house than I thought our next house would be, but there's like several reasons why it was kind of a smart thing for us to do, since what we made off this house is going to cover the down payment, if not like super close to it. And this neighborhood is also projected to be a lot more expensive in a couple of years, so it's like we get in now when it's a little more space than we need right now, but when we actually are going to need the space in a few years, it's going to be so much less money since we bought it now type thing. So yeah, there's like several reasons why it is a smart thing for us to do. And yes, I'll tell you a little bit about it. I have an office in this house that's so much bigger than this room. It's like an actual office. There's also a finished basement in this house with like a big room, a bar, and then a guest room and a guest bathroom, and I wasn't even expecting that at all. I thought it was an unfinished basement. So that'll be really nice. I always wanted a guest room that was on a different floor than our room, just so people like have a lot of privacy and feel super comfortable. And yeah, we don't really have a guest room in this house, so it's hard for people. I mean, we finished a room downstairs, so we do, but it's not an ideal room. And so I'm super excited about that. I've like always wanted that. I was not expecting the bar, but it's there and it's going to be nice to have. My hair is falling out. I'm a mess in this video. And then there's a pantry, like a real pantry. We don't have a pantry in this house, as you guys know, and we need that space so bad. I'm so excited for a pantry video, you guys. I've wanted a pantry for forever. The island is a little bit small in the kitchen. Hopefully in like a few years we can do a larger island. It's not like an immediate thing. The things I want to do right away are definitely like all the hardware and light fixtures, because it's all silver and I'm not really a silver person. And we need to paint my office because right now it's a navy blue. In the master, it's like a big room, which I think there's enough room for like a sitting area in the master. And then there's a bathroom in there, and there's walk-ins on either side, like a hallway. There's walk-ins and then a bathroom, and there is not a tub in the master, which I'm so happy about because I'm not a tub person. Oh, and then Forrest has his own bathroom, which he better be very grateful, because I don't know what 3-month-old baby has their own bathroom. It has a double sink in there, so it's kind of like a kid's bathroom. And we were just so excited. I feel like, I don't know, I'm the kind of person where I'm just like super timid about things like this, and Chad is the kind of person that's like, we're ready, let's do it, let's go for it. So I feel like we balance each other out super well in that aspect, because we wouldn't be moving right now if it were up to me, but he scheduled the showing and then I was obsessed with the house, so I was like so happy that he did. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I'm so bad at these sit down videos, you guys. I always forget things, and then I'm about to post the video and I'm like, I should have said this, this, and this. So let me know what kind of house videos you guys want to see. It is a finished house obviously, but it's not customized, and that's exactly what I wanted, because so many of you know I live for that. I love home decor and like home stuff so much. I love to customize. So I didn't want a house where I'd have to like take things out, or a house where I was like paying for that when I didn't really like it in the first place, you know. There's so many places that I want to add tile, and I want to switch out all the hardware, and I think the light fixtures I already said. And then in the master I want to switch out the carpets and paint. And there's just so many fun things we're going to get to do, because I know Chad is so sick of the projects that aren't fun, like the projects where you have to rip tons of stuff out so you can put in what you actually want to put in. We can just put it in. So I know he's looking forward to that, and I just feel like this is so needed for us, even though it's a little more space than we need right now. But it all, when you look at the numbers and stuff, it's like a smart thing to do. So yeah, that is essentially the update that I have for you guys. Hopefully this video was okay for you, just sitting down talking and chatting with you. I don't do that very often, and I don't know, I just like to put like tons of stuff in my videos, but sometimes I just need to like sit and vent and tell you what's going on. So I think after this video I'm going to do a day in the life video and probably start packing and just like update you on Forrest and so many things that have been going on. It has been impossible for me to film this video. I told you guys I literally have started this like 6 or 7 times, so I'm so happy I was finally able to tell you everything. And yeah, we're gonna be moving soon. I'm posting this the same day I'm filming it, so I think it's in about 2 weeks, 3 weeks at the most, I would say, at like the absolute most. But we are always like at the house. I mean, it's not our house yet, so we can't go in, but we go by like almost every day and just like, oh yeah, it's there, it's cute, okay, and then we leave. So we're just really excited to kind of start a new chapter. As I know that's so cheesy, but I mean, that's what happens when you move and you have a baby and life is changing. And I cannot wait to film so many videos for you in this house. So let me know all the house videos that you guys want to see, if you want to see like the moving videos, how you want to see them, and all that. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, please subscribe to my channel. There's recent videos down below, and again, if you do want to see like the makeup from me, I'm obviously not a beauty guru, but I have a lot of products that work for me that I use every day. So if you want to see a makeup tutorial on Instagram, or if you want a whole video on it, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!